Hi, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday with Let's Check It Out with Sergio J. Of course, I am Sergio J, and did you know you can use pennies to dye clothes? If you want to see how this turns out, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so 2-Minute Tuesday starts now. Alright, did you know? Well, I found this on Instagram, so I wanted to try it and test it out. So I got one of my white t-shirts, and we're gonna put it in this container, put some pennies over it, spread them out somewhat evenly, right? And we're gonna put in some water. And I don't see nothing happening. Nothing is happening. So on the video that I saw, the penny started releasing like a blue dye, like instantly, as soon as the water hit the pennies or whatever, but I don't see nothing happening, so this is a flop. We have 45 seconds and no, this did not work. I don't see nothing happening. Like I said, it was supposed to turn the t-shirt blue. It didn't work, and I'm pretty sure I followed it. There's no words, there's no instructions. All you're doing is seeing how it's working. And like I said, they put the t-shirt or the shirt in a container, clear container like this, so you can see. They put the pennies over it, and then they poured the water, and instantly you were able to see the dye coming out of the pennies and dyeing the shirt, and it didn't work. The 2 minutes are up. That was a flop, you guys. So I tried it. I wanted to try it for you guys. So it didn't work, you guys. That is it. Thanks for watching.